we're going to be drawing the Baltimore Orioles mascot.
The Oriole Bird. All right, let's get started. We're gonna start with our black marker. So we're gonna draw a nice round oval for the eye. And then a smaller circle inside. That'll give it a nice reflection. Great job. And then let's draw one larger oval around that to complete the shape of the eyeball. Great, and let's do the same thing on the other side, starting with the inside oval. Then a smaller circle inside of that one. And lastly, a larger oval to complete that eye. Let's color these pupils in right now.
I can already tell this is gonna be so cute.
Yeah, the Oriole Bird is awesome. Next, we're gonna draw a little curve right here. And then we're gonna start working on his beak. So start with that line. And we're gonna do one long exaggerated line around like that. It's like a beak, but also a smile. We're gonna do one curve right here so you can see that he's happy. Next, we're gonna draw one underline right here and just curve it all the way around to complete that big smile. Good job. And under that, we're gonna just draw one long curved line right there. We're gonna draw right here, and we're stopping right here because he's gonna have a hat. This is gonna reflect the hair, and then we're gonna cut across for the hat. Good job. Let's start with one big swoop like that. This is going to be for the brim of the hat. And then one kind of curved line going here and then across. And then connect to that point. Good job. I'm gonna do one big curve and then a little small hump at the top and bring it all down. We're just gonna loop this around. Nice job, Reagan. That was not an easy hat to draw at all.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You know what they say in Baltimore? How about them moves, hon?
That's it for the outline. Let's get coloring. I'm gonna stick with the official Orioles colors, but I want you to get creative.
Okay. Okay, today I'm gonna give you the trivia. Pass me that card.
All right, there you go.
Okay, how many games did Cal Ripken Jr. play in a row?
You know, I lost count. How many?
It's 2,632 games. That's why they call him the Iron Man. He literally played every single game for 17 seasons. That's a record that will probably never be broken.
Wow, talk about dedication. Have you ever missed a softball game?
Yeah, I have missed softball before.
Why'd you miss it?
I missed it to go to acting practices.
That's a great reason to miss it because you get to be here with me coloring. All right, this one's for you. Player intro. Announce yourself like you're being introduced at the plate.
Okay, next up is Reagan Learn. Make some noise.
Woo! Go, Reagan! All right, finishing touch. Let's get the Orioles logo on the hat. Voila, the Oriole Bird.
that's how you draw the Baltimore Orioles mascot, the Oriole Bird. See you soon.
Hey everybody, it's Coach Brandon. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, you can always grab the tracing sheet and coloring pages for today's lesson.